Take a moment to settle into this space and allow your body to become comfortable. Allow your eyes to gently close if that feels right for you. And take a slow, deep breath in and out. As you breathe, imagine yourself entering a peaceful sanctuary of healing light. Before you burns a small candle flame. Its warm glow represents hope, clarity, and transformation. Watch this flame in your mind's eye. Notice how effortlessly it dances. Notice how it never struggles. It simply exists in its natural state. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, release any tension you may be carrying today. Release expectations. Release worries. Release the need to control what comes next, because you are safe here. You are supported here. And you are welcome exactly as you are. Now imagine the candle cleansing energy of Palo Santo around you. This is a sacred smoke drifting around your body, moving through your energy field, dissolving any heaviness, clearing stagnant energy, removing anything that no longer serves you or serves your highest good. With every breath, you feel lighter, clearer, more open. Now, bring your awareness to the grounding energy of this black tourmaline, and imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. Strong, steady, secure. Feel yourself supported by the wisdom of the earth beneath you. Any anxiety, any fear, any overwhelm flows down through these roots, and it is transformed into stability and strength, because you are grounded, you are protected, and you are safe. And now, allow the gentle energy of the rose quartz to surround your heart. A soft pink light expanding within your chest, warm, compassionate, and loving. This light reminds you that you are worthy of love, worthy of kindness, worthy of peace. Allow this loving energy to flow through every part of your being. It is softening old wounds, nurturing your spirit, opening your heart to receive. Now, imagine a beautiful piece of green calcite glowing before you. Its golden light radiates creativity, confidence, and joy. Feel this vibrant energy awakening within you, igniting your inner spark, your passions, and your purpose, your unique gifts. Allow this energy to remind you that your light deserves to be seen. You were never meant to shrink yourself. You were meant to shine. Now, bring your awareness to the cleansing of white selenite, a luminous beam of pure energy, descending from above, flowing through your crown, through your mind, through your body, and through your spirit, washing away energetic debris, restoring balance, restoring harmony, restoring peace. And you are becoming lighter with every breath, more aligned, more connected. Now, focus on this powerful amethyst before you. Its violet light begins to expand, surrounding your being. This sacred crystal opens the doorway to intuition, wisdom, and spiritual connection. Allow yourself to rest within this beautiful violet glow. There is nothing to do, nothing to achieve. Simply receive. Receive healing. Receive peace. Receive whatever energy is meant for you today. For the next few moments, remain here in silence, breathing gently, receiving the Reiki energy. Trust that your body knows how to heal. Trust that your spirit knows the way. As our meditation comes to an end, begin bringing your awareness back to your body. Notice your breath. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice how you feel. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Know that this healing energy remains with you, grounding you, protecting you, and guiding you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this sacred space. May you move forward with peace, clarity, and love. Blessed be.